What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Icon or ICX, the ICX token. I wanted to make a quick video on that. We'll dive straight into the technicals. There's not a lot of fundamentals going on right now. At least not that I know. I mean, the market, we've obviously gained quite a lot of bullish momentum from the markets. But to me, it's quite obvious what's happening right now with ICX. So I'll give you my thoughts on that. I also took a trade. I'll tell you a bit about that trade and how I usually trade market situations like these. But in general, before we get into ICX and this analysis, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join. But alright, now on to ICX. So what we did, initially we were very manipulated, right? So we got this move and then started with that, and then got that second rally all the way up to 48 cents. I already shorted that. I shorted from like 42 cents without a stop loss, and eventually I thought it would drop down because moves like these are manipulated. If you take a look at ICX right now, for example, first of all, if you look at the chart like this, you probably already think, well, that looks weird, right? These sudden moves up. I think so too. And apart from that, usually it's also a sign of manipulation if you have over 50% of volume coming from Korea, so UpBit and BitThump. Right now it's about 70%, perhaps a bit more even. That's just a lot. Usually the coin is manipulated, and then the question is are we going to drop down? Because if it's manipulated, we saw that the last time we rallied, beginning of April, even then you can still rally up higher. So right now the biggest question is, I think, is we got to this resistance level right here around 37 cents, which is fairly respected. You can also see that. The biggest question to me is can we stay on top of our support? Our support is around, well, let's say 36, let's say 35 to give us some space, right? So that means we still have this kind of support under us between 36 and 35. Then the big question is can we stay on top of that? And right now, I mean, even though Bitcoin is fairly strong, I would say, it's not the strongest it has been for the entirety of today, but it's fairly strong. So can we stay on top of this? Yes or no? I think we might be able to find some more support, but in the end, I think we'll get a bearish breakout. And the moment we have dropped down below 35 cents, we got that bearish confirmation. We'll take a break retest. We'll drop down to, first of all, 32 cents. Next level is 31 cents, but I think eventually we'll drop down all the way down, back down to that 28 cents level. That's really the first strong support. You could argue like 27.5 is the first really strong support. I think we'll drop down all the way there, but that's just usually what you see. ICX, great project, all right, nothing wrong with it, but it's just manipulated right now. There's no real news now as well. You may like the project, that's fine, but these moves I think are manipulated. Now, if for some reason though we are able to hold 35 cents and we can get some sort of a bullish breakout, so breakout above 37.5 cents, then we can actually rally up to 40 and 42 cents again. But in the end, it's just a temporary move up, I think. I think in the end we are still going to drop down, and whether that's from 37.5 cents or from 42 cents doesn't really matter to me. I at least started shorting around 37 cents. I think it's going to drop down. Perhaps that makes me biased. I'll leave that up to you. But this is my take. These are my thoughts on ICX for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.